Looking for simple ways to keep your adult learners engaged during summer break? In this video, we'll walk you through 7 smart, practical strategies to prevent learning loss and maintain motivation while school's out. From virtual study groups to real-world skill-building workshops, you'll discover easy-to-implement ideas that keep education going all summer long. 7 smart ways to keep learners engaged learning over the summer. 1. Summer Skills Workshops. Offer short workshops on practical skills, such as digital literacy, financial planning, or cooking. This keeps learning relevant. 2. Summer Reading Challenge. Encourage reading for pleasure or to improve reading skills. Provide a book list, a tracking sheet, and celebrate achievements. 3. Virtual study groups. Facilitate online meetups for learners to connect, review material, and practice skills together, fostering community and support. 4. Online resources and apps. Share a curated list of free online learning platforms, apps, and YouTube channels to empower self-paced learning. 5. Learner Showcase Events. Organize informal events where learners can present their projects and share their accomplishments, thereby building confidence. 6. Next Steps Advising. Meet in spring to discuss summer goals and provide personalized advice on continuing education or career paths. 7. Regular check-in messages. Send occasional emails or texts with encouragement, learning tips, and reminders about upcoming opportunities. These 7 strategies offer practical approaches to keep adult learners engaged. Implement a few of these ideas to help your learners stay connected, motivated, and continue their educational journey throughout the summer. Please share this video in your network, and don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.